I'm making a Philly classic with a supermarket fix called my Chicken Cheesesteak.
Chicken Cheesesteak.
It's simple. It's simple. Okay, so on my flat grill top right here, cast iron, because it's gonna hold that good heat. Olive oil, salt, pepper on the onions chopped up. They're just getting nice and caramelized, but not like a real caramelization where we take hours and hours. This is a quick caramelization, medium-high heat, just looking for some char. Little black bits are okay, and a little bit of translucent or white. You know, it's all over the place. You don't need it all cooked down. So I've got some chicken over here, and that's a store-bought shortcut. If you start looking in the meat section, this is brand new, and it's starting to happen, you can find shaved chicken breast. It's shaved for you. Yeah, they do the work. I mean, who wants to freeze the chicken and then shave the chicken? So they're doing it for you, nice and thin. Take a look at that.
I usually prefer my chicken on natural, but I'll try this.
Look at it. I mean, it's so nice and thin for you. So what I like to do is season it up very simply with a little bit of salt. Put in a bowl, nice couple of pinches, some pepper.
One of my all-time favorite sandwiches is cheesesteaks.
Oh, I love a cheesesteak.
A real good cheesesteak, nothing like it.
So then I've got some chicken seasoning in there and some garlic salt. Just kind of go in there and stir it around with my finger. And then right here with the onions, just gonna start dropping this chicken. Now there's a lot of moisture in here, so kind of pick from the top, don't just dump it in there.
So Sunny, that was poultry seasoning that you used? Okay.
Poultry seasoning, little garlic salt, salt and pepper.
But you can sort of knock yourself out. You can put smoked paprika if you want in there.
Oh, Jeezy in my wheelhouse.
A little kale dust.
You know, a little kale dust.
Jeezy's throwing shade,
Yo, he is throwing a lot of shade, Jeezy. What kind of tree you sitting next to? All right, so you just kind of move this around. Nice pinch of our seasoning blend here. Don't overdo it because we've got salt and garlic salt in here. And then you just kind of get in and start moving it around. You don't want an overcrowd situation because you do want to get some color on your chicken and you don't want to steam it, but you also want to make sure that you kind of move things and incorporate it. So I'm going to get this on there and kind of let it sit so we can get some color on the chicken.
Like at a diner.
It is kind of like
or
a
at the
diner.
Philly cheesesteak place. It's all done on the flat top.
Yeah, you know
Philly
what I'm saying?
cheesesteak, invented in the 30s by Pat Oliveri.
Really?
Of course, Philadelphia.
Yeah.
Cheese was not added. It was just a Philly-style steak sandwich. Then the cheese was added in 1940s. And usually you use the liquid cheese sauce.
You know. All right, so now that this is going and the steam is going to hit everything that's not cooked, I'm going to show you how to make this cheese sauce. It's really, really simple. So in the pan here, it's very easy. I'm going to add some beer.
Oh,
Jeff, pass that down, open it up. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, Katie.
Oh, damn,
Get
someone's
it.
got a pretty good jump
Katie. Okay.
Someone's like a troll for alcohol today.
Right into the pan here, about 8 ounces of beer. Then you go to the cheese section. It's got that cheddar and Monterey Jack shredded, about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of that. You want to get the beer hot and then add the cheese. But
like
in the
a fondue.
meantime, yeah, like a fondue, exactly. I've got some steak seasoning right here. I like to add into the beer, a little bit of flavor. Remember that seasoning that we have with the garlic salt and the chicken? Put that in there, or you can do a pinch of salt. That works as well. Matter of fact, I got some left over. Let me hit this. So while the beer is getting a little bit hot, and this comes together very fast, one last good move around and toss. And look at that color.
Yep.
When you just leave it alone and let it hang out.
There.
So at the end,
Oh, that's a waste of beer.
all right, we've got our beer getting hot over here.
It's called the old Philly deglaze right there.
Add some cheese. As you add the cheese, whisk. As you add it, whisk. Keep going. And look how quick that comes together. 3 ingredients: beer, cheese, some seasoning, some flavor. All right, who's ready to eat?
Me.
Okay, we'll build this. All right. So we've got some hoagies.
That looks like a good bun.
I'm gonna give you some mayo, girl, because
Give me
when
some
I go
mayo.
to the shop, I like a little mayo.
Yep.
Put it right in there and just kind of smear it.
Yeah, I gotta have that.
Yeah,
You
plus
have
it
to have
also
the
keeps
mayo
it
on
from
the
getting
cheesesteak.
soggy. When you have really good, juicy chicken, you don't want it to be too soggy in there. Just come on in, get some of that chicken.
Oh, snap.
Sonny, you gotta open a shop. Call it Sonny's.
Yeah?
I'm telling you.
A little diner, a little short order
That's it. If
cook.
you just sold that, that's it.
That's it. Just-
I
all you
actually
need.
pride myself on making a quick, like 15, 20-minute meal. I don't have time. I'm lazy, impatient, I'm hungry. Do you know what I'm saying? So,
No,
There
we
we
never
go.
do that about you.
we believe you.
you believe me?
Cheese it up.
Gonna cheese it up for you, girlfriend.
Oh,
And then
like-
right over the top,
Oh, cascade.
look at
Cascada.
that. Little cheese sauce.
Dude.
Yes. Wow.
Just for you, Katie? She gets the whole thing?
Yeah, you don't get any.
Now I like to go over the top with a little
Little pickled
CP
cherry
relish?
pepper.
What is that?
pickled cherry relish.
Oh, you need that. You know why? Just that fat. You need to get that. Oh, there isn't that much fat in this dish, right?
No, it's good for you, I
Chicken.
think. Pretty sure.
The mayonnaise is totally.
No, mayonnaise
All
is
right.
olive oil.
Katie, you want me to cut this in half, I'm sure.
Well, I mean, you don't have to, but. If you want to
My
share,
goodness.
There you go.
you guys aren't getting any of this. Mine.
Tell us again.
There it is. Tuesday night, let me just knock it
yeah.
off the list.
That's what I'm talking about.
Check.
Check.
Messy?
Gotta be messy.
Oh, girl, look at your cheek. I love it.
I love the spice of the cherry pepper with that beer cheese sauce, and the chicken's just cooked perfectly, and the way that the onions are all in there with it. It's so satisfying and hearty. It's fantastic.